Hello my YouTube friends. Today I bring you all beautiful mobile bags. These bags is very beautiful and colorful. These small crossbody bags will look very good on you. I hope you like this video. In all my video, I try to bring good and new stylish crochet mat things for you guys. But if don't have idea, they can take idea for my video and make all crochet stuff. I am here with crochet new designs, colors and ideas in my videos. My YouTube friends like my video. Thank you for that. What do you see guys? Want to see? Tell me in your comments so that I can upload it. Make a video accordingly. You like my channel? Please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your relatives and friends. Thank you very much. You're watching my videos and my channel. Thank you guys.